it's the 30th of July. I'm starting my new school today. I'm actually super nervous, but I hope it will be fine. I have to be super quiet because everybody else is sleeping and the doors here are not really soundproof, so yeah. But anyway, I will jump into the shower right now. Then I'm going to pack my lunch and do something with my face because I look... yeah. I look terrible. But yeah, I will go put some makeup on.
Hi, I just wanted to say please ignore my faces when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know why I'm not able to look like a normal person when I'm doing my makeup, but please just ignore that, okay?
This will work. And now I'm going to prepare my backpack. It's me again. Oh, the audio is really weird. I'm literally at a toilet in Starbucks because I'm editing in a Starbucks and I feel really awkward filming myself in front of all those people, so I came to the toilet, so yeah. But anyway, I forgot to say that I will do another video just on my outfits that I wore the first day of school. I know, super original, I know. But yeah, so I'm not going to show you what I wore. I mean, in the next clip you basically see what I wore, but yeah, anyway, there's gonna be a new video all about the outfits that I wore and it's going to be up next week, so yeah, be ready for that if you are interested. I feel like this video was super boring, but hopefully you're still watching. Anyway, I'm gonna shut up and yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. I didn't really film an outro, so this is just me saying goodbye to you. And yeah, first day was really stressful, but I've made some friends, so it was good. And yeah, I'm going to see you the next week with the outfits video, so be excited or not, I don't know, do what you want. But anyway, bye bye.